The price dropped again, y'all. Comment down below and let me know what the price is showing up for now. Y'all, it comes in two different colors, the yellow and the pink, and I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I got both. This is my favorite blow dryer because it literally feels like I'm just brushing my hair with a big old paddle brush. It's one piece, no attachments, and it has the cool, low, and high setting. Definitely go ahead and grab yours while it's on a sale. I'm not sure how long the sale is going to last.